Welcome to neoStampa's interface. Let's begin by exploring the menu bar at the top. Here, you'll find the positioning tools which let you place your designs exactly how you want them to be printed. You can enter values manually or simply drag your design into the print area for quick and easy positioning. Need to center your design? With just one click, you can align it perfectly in the middle of the page. And if you want to anchor it to the bottom left corner, just press this button. You can also rotate your design effortlessly to get the perfect orientation. And if you're looking for a mirrored version, use the mirroring tool to flip your design horizontally with a single click. Moving on, printer settings. Here, find the ink consumption tool. This feature estimates how much ink your current design will use, helping you control costs and plan your production more efficiently. Now let's take a look at the live canvas. It gives you a real-time preview of your design on a simulated object or print surface. Moving on, we have some essential tools to streamline your workflow. And finally, we arrive at the view settings, where you can customize your workspace to suit your preferences. Check out the next videos to continue learning and make the most out of your digital textile printing experience.